So what's up guys, welcome back here to another video. So today in this video I'll show you how you can delete your YouTube channel in just few steps. So this is going to be a quick video on how you can delete your YouTube channel. So let's get into the video. So let's see on how you can delete your YouTube channel. So just click on YouTube and then click on this library. So and then click on your channel, and then you can see help and feedback option here down. So click on it and then just wait for some time and then describe your issue. So delete, type here delete. So you can see delete or hide your YouTube channel. So click on it and then you can see an option here, delete your channel permanently, or if you want you can click hide. I'm going to delete my channel permanently. So and then I'm gonna click on this advanced account settings. So click on it. So it will redirect you to a page to your Chrome or any preferred browser which you are using, and then you can see an option here, delete channel. So you can see if you zoom in, there's an option called delete channel. So you can click on this delete channel and delete your channel. So I'm not going to click on the delete channel now because I don't want to delete my YouTube channel. So it's simple, just you click on your YouTube channel and it will ask for a verification of your email back and your password. So click on that and just easy to delete your YouTube channel. So it will take about 6 hours to 7 hours to remove your YouTube channel from the results list, and if you have a big channel it will take about even a day or two to delete your YouTube channel. So that's the end of the video guys. So make sure you like and also subscribe to this channel. So that's it, bye bye.